Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete clips on Twitch. So let's get started. So first open your Twitch account and go for profile. From the menu, click on Creator Dashboard. Now select Content and go down to Clips and select it. It will show you all of the clips that were created. Now simply select the little button next to them and select delete. As you can see, that clip has been deleted. So that's for today. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.